to glitch picture and then save it so that we can actually create an animation or a video with it. So we're going to go to Google and we're going to look up an image. So I've been using Star Wars images just for fun. So I'm just going to get another one. And I'm actually going to do it in a format which is horizontally, just because a TV screen and a computer screen and film screen tend to go that way. So I'm just going to go ahead and download an image and go ahead and minimize this. Now I'm also going to save, I'm going to make a folder on my desktop. I'm going to call it new folder. And this one's going to be Boba Glitch 11.6. Alright, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to double click and I'm going to open up my Boba image. Okay, I'm going to have that thing kind of open over here. And then what I'm going to do is also go to that original image. Actually, before I even do this, I'm going to duplicate this. And the reason I'm going to duplicate it is just because I want to have a copy that's intact, ready to go in case I corrupt it. So what I'm going to do is go in and I'm going to change this. That one will be my original. I'm going to double click the original, open it up again, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and hit enter with this thing selected, and what I'm going to change is the JPG extension. I'm going to change it to TXT. Now I'm going to click off and you're going to see it's going to say use or keep. I'm going to say use TXT. So I'm going to double click that file now. You're going to see it changes to a bunch of words. This is my TXT file, which is basically the visual representation of Boba Fett's image here, but in script and code. So I'm going to go into it. Now, when I change stuff, I want to delete, add stuff, etc., but not at the beginning and not at the end. So I stay kind of towards the middle. So I'm going to show you what happens here. I'm going to delete a couple lines of just random script. I've heard two different theories on this. I can either kind of control this, or I have no idea. I'm not really sure what's true, so I'm just going to go for it. So you saw me delete a few things out of there. At random, I'm going to hit Command-S. And then instantly you're going to see now my Boba Fett image is glitched out. So now I'm going to go to this one. I'm going to go File, Export, and I'm going to save this to that folder that we created. So desktop, and it is, let's see, Glitch Boba 11.6. I'm going to call it Glitch Boba Fett 1. I just changed the number. So, and I want to keep this the same, except the same everything except for the number. And that's just going to make it easier later on when I go ahead and do different things. So I'm going to undo this. Undo, undo, undo. Now, I'm undoing it because that one did quite a bit there. I don't need to do that. Okay, I could not go and do that. I could just go and keep messing with it. That was a pretty intense glitch. Okay, you can see this one maybe is a little bit more subtle. So that time what I was doing was copy and pasting selections. So now I'm going to go back, File, and make sure you click on your image in Preview, File, Export. And I'm going to call that Boba Fett 2. Save. Now, I think I really would probably want to save this as JPEGs. I think the first one is a TIFF. No big deal. All right, I'm going to undo, 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 undo. And then I'm going to go back and delete out a couple more things. Okay, I'm going to save. Let's see what that one looks like. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now, again, File, Export, and I want to title this one Boba Fett 3, and I want it to be a JPEG. So your goal is to kind of practice this and messing around, seeing what you can do with your glitch art and seeing what you can achieve, just kind of messing with the script and the code. And eventually this file is probably going to be ruined, so we would not save that. And that's it.